Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. In today's video, you'll learn a practical juice recipe with only 3 ingredients that will cleanse your kidneys and liver and improve your health. The kidneys and liver are certainly 2 of the most important organs in the human body. The kidneys help eliminate impurities and harmful substances from the blood, which helps regulate blood pressure. And the liver, in turn, is responsible for digesting fats, which allows the intestines to better absorb these substances. So detoxification of the kidneys and liver prevents various complications. With this in mind, we've prepared a very simple juice recipe for you. Today you can prepare this detox juice and start taking it. You'll need 1 whole lemon, 1 whole cucumber, or half of a cucumber if it's too big, 1 whole carrot, or half of a carrot if it's too big, 1 liter of water. After you've washed all the ingredients, first peel the cucumber and cut it into small cubes. Cucumber is good for the kidneys and has diuretic, antioxidant, moisturizing, and anti-inflammatory properties that benefit the whole body. Do the same with the carrot. Remove its peel and cut it well. The carrot is very rich in vitamin A and minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, iodine, and calcium, which helps regenerate liver cells and improve kidney function. Finally, take the lemon, cut it in half, and squeeze out only the juice, keeping the liquid in a separate glass or bowl. It has a high content of vitamin C and is a strong ally of the immune system. It also contributes to kidney and liver health, as it is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Shortly after, put the diced cucumber and carrot in the blender. Add the water and blend everything. When the juice is ready, add the lemon juice to the drink and blend well. The juice for cleansing the kidneys and liver is ready and can be served chilled at any time of the day. If you've made it this far, leave in the comments, detox. This recipe can serve up to 4 people at once. Did you enjoy the recipe? Share this video with your loved ones. Can I count on your help? Make it today and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.